If you want to start a profitable business or make more money at your job, you already know that artificial intelligence is where it's at. There's so much money going into AI right now. The question is, how the heck do you do it? I mean, how do you really use AI to create new revenue streams, especially if you're not techie? So, do you want to know how to get real results? Look, I see all of those online ads too. It's always drop ship this or, oh, this is so easy. And I'm not going to insult your intelligence because business is never easy. I will, however, tell you what makes it much easier, right? And that's being in an industry that's growing faster than anything the world has ever seen. AI is predicted to hit $15.7 trillion, and every business on the planet is scrambling to figure it out right now, and they're spending money as fast as they can. And as someone who's done every business under the sun, from board games to bubblegum machines, and many of my businesses, frankly, have failed, I'm just telling you that there will never be another point in time like this. I mean, assuming that you missed out on the whole .com thing, this could literally be your last chance to hit something big. But look, even if you don't want to do something big, even if you're just looking for something to do on the side, something that could potentially bring in a few extra $1,000 a month, you should still go where the money is, and AI is where it's at. So what I've done is identified what I believe to be the 3 best ways to cash in on AI, the 3 fastest ways, the 3 things that you can do in your spare time without having to know a lot about technology. And these are 3 very unique business models. One is product-based, one is service-based, and one is knowledge-based. So having 3 options allows you to identify which income-producing activity is best for you, which one best matches your skill set, which one best matches your passions and what you're really all about. Because I'll tell you this, when you can line up what's hot, like an industry that's growing like crazy, with what you love, amazing things happen. And I'm living proof of that. Our company, Bot Builders, has hit the Inc. 5000 fastest growing company list 3 years in a row. We're working on number 4 right now, but more importantly, I'm having a blast. So if you're ready to find your thing, something that can allow you to make an impact and make great income, then I invite you to check out our free training where I'm going to teach you the 3 ways to generate revenue with AI. What you've got to do is just click on that link and get registered. Again, it's absolutely free. And while I can't guarantee that you'll become some sort of tech billionaire, I can guarantee that you're going to learn a ton and that you're going to thank yourself for actually showing up. We've had over 100,000 people attend these trainings, and as you learn, we're certainly not perfect, but we truly do care about your success. So with that said, my name is Matt Leitz. Go ahead and click on that link and I will see you on the training.